Login instructions. We offer several options to invite your colleagues to Beekeeper. The first option is to send an invitation via email or SMS text. This will send an invitation to all users who haven't logged in yet. If the user has an email address in their profile, the login instructions will be sent to them by email. If they've not got an email address in their profile, but they have got a phone number, they will receive an SMS. Make sure all users have contact details associated with their profile. Write a custom message, click on Preview to make sure you're happy with the text, and then click Resend Instructions. In the future, you can use this function on a regular basis to send reminders to your colleagues who haven't responded to your initial invitation. Please note that every time you resend login instructions, the passwords will be reset. Click on Personalized Invite to generate paper invitations for all colleagues that haven't logged in yet. The invitation contains instructions on how to access the system and a QR code that colleagues can scan to be logged in automatically. You can print and distribute the invitations yourself, or share the file with the location managers, who can distribute it to their team members. All of these functions are available for a single user. Open a user's profile and click on Onboarding to access the same functionality or generate a login code that your colleague can scan.